Hi guys, how to download Counter-Strike 2 on PC and laptop. Now start by opening up a web browser on your PC or laptop. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox all work perfectly for this. Counter-Strike 2 is hosted on the Steam Game Marketplace. Search for Steam on your browser, navigate to their official website, click on Install Steam in the top right corner, and download the installer. Here's a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake sites. Go to your device's downloads folder, run the Steam setup file, and complete the installation process. If you don't already have a Steam account, you can easily create one directly within the Steam Launcher application. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable Steam Guard for extra security. Open the Steam application, click on the search bar in the top right corner, type in Counter-Strike, and click on the game from the search results. Make sure you select Counter-Strike 2, not the older version. Scroll down the game page, click Add to Library, and then navigate to your Library tab at the top. Locate Counter-Strike 2 in your library on the left sidebar, click Install, choose your preferred installation location, and click Install to start downloading.